Hello, Vlog family. Dan and I are heading out to Walmart this morning because we are looking for cat shampoo to give the cats a bath. We are going to attempt this and see how it goes. Not that they need a bath, they aren't like muddy or dirty or anything, and we just want to try to help desensitize them to the water so they're a little more used to it and not as like freaked out by it. So hopefully this goes well.
Huh.
There really is not that much option here.
No, not really.
That's flea and tick. We don't need that.
No. I mean,
Conditioner, extra gentle. I mean, maybe. Yeah, we'll go with this. All right, got the shampoo. We're gonna be using this bucket. I've got Luca sitting here, curious about what's going on. I'm gonna use this to kind of pour it on them, and I'm hoping that this kind of helps keep them in. I don't know, but Dan, I think we're ready. We're gonna start, do we want to put both of them in there? And like not in the water, but both of them in the bathroom with the door closed? Yeah. Okay, so if you want to carry her in. You getting curious, Luca? Hi, Luca. Ready, bud? You want to get a bath? I should have cooked your nails first. I'm thinking about this a little too late. Ready? It's okay. It's okay. I know. It's okay. It's okay. I know. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Ready? It's okay. Ready? Fine. We'll do this. Ready? No. There you go. It's not bad. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay, Luke. Jadis is like sneaking through. Like, what's going on? See? Is that not bad? You don't mind that? You just don't want to be in the water? Is that what it is? We can do that. I can work with you there. Nope. Staying in the shower there, cat. You're wet. Good job. I know, now we gotta lather you all up so you really can't get away from me now. Jadis is sitting right here. Just like front row seat.
I want to watch my siblings suffer.
Okay, time to start rinsing. Okay. Wait. No, I gotta make sure all the soap is off of you. I can't leave soap on you. What kind of a pet owner would I be? He's like the kind that doesn't put soap on their pets. Luke is like, I'm never forgiving you for this. Hold on. I know, little drowned rat, it's okay. We're so close. Ah, stay. Just want to make sure. Like, I can still see a little bit of soap. I just flung water all over myself. Think of how good you're gonna smell. And you can plot my death for as long as you want. All right. And Jadis is still just all comfy right there watching. Alright, so we're gonna wrap him up. Just like this. You did so good, Luca. Look, he's already washing himself, and Jadis is all sorts of curious. Go ahead and snag one of these. Here you go, Luca. Look at the wet kitty.
There you go. Yep.
There you go.
Just right off.
I'm gonna shake you off. Oh, I'm going right for the bag.
Mm-hmm.
There should be enough water in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to put her in the tub and see how that goes.
Okay, gotcha. All right.
Come here, little kitten. Say kitten part 2.
Oh boy.
Do we want to try in here? I'm gonna try it this way first and see how it goes. Here you go. Good job. Good job. Here. I'm gonna try doing this. Okay, we won't do that. We are gonna do this though. Yeah, you got front row seat to your brother, and now it's your turn. I know, say it's no fun when they call you up on stage, huh?
No.
I know, baby girl. I know, it's okay. It's okay. Gotta make sure your coat seems a little thicker than your brother's. Like the water's not wanting to quite penetrate it as easily.
Interesting.
Ready for some shampoo? Shampoo the kitten. Shampoo the kitten. I know, Jadis. Ready? Go like this. Very good. Get all your belly. Good job. I know, sweetheart. She's like, please, please stop, please. Oh, let me see. You want to go back in there? That's the water, babes. You see the water? That's what that is. You don't want to be in there. Okay, I think I got it all. Come here. I know. The poor little kitten. She's shivering. Oh, the poor little kitten. Here you go, babies. Do you want a cookie? There you go. You can have the cookie. Do you not even want the cookies? Are you so angry at us? Oh, you won't even eat it. She's a little drowned rat. There you go.
See, it's all done.
See, there you go. Nuka, you're such a good sport. Oh, you're so mad at me still. Alright, so.
Alright, not bad.
Not bad. I think overall it went well. We learned a few things. I thought for sure I'd be way more clawed up than I am, but I'm actually not hardly at all. Like I have that little bit on my wrist right there, and that's it. Essentially.
Not bad, not bad.
Learned don't put them in a tub of water, but rather just pour some water over them on a dry area. Good to know. We learned Jadis will not accept treats for bribery after a bath. All right, I think that was a success.
Yep.
I think so. Cool.
Wonderful.
Oh, it's been a little over an hour since your bath. Are you guys doing okay? You seem like you're mostly dry. Luca's purring already. Jadis, you're still yelling at me, huh? Jadis was shivering a lot, so we brought her into Mom's room, and they both fell asleep in here because she has a little electric fireplace. Yeah, so it's so nice and warm, huh? Are you too happy again that you're so nice and clean?
Hey.
look. Oh my goodness, you two are so soft. Wow.
Oh, I keep hitting you in the face. Do you like this? Do you like this brush? Is this your favorite brush? He loves this. Oh my gosh. Let me scooch back some. There we go. Oh my goodness, this is your favorite brush, isn't it? Oh, that feels so good. That feels so good. Look at all of the cat hair all over from brushing him. There's so much cat hair all over. He loves this. Yeah, look at all of this hair. This carpet was clean and my pants are just covered. Alright, let me have the other one. Oh, and then there's a whole pile of hair right there. Gross.
Alright. Here you go, cat.
She's so comfy.
I know.
Come here, little kitten. Here we go, time to brush you.